I'm very excited, especially the cinematography just looks beautiful. I'm sure I'm going to cry, but it'll be a good cry.
We're from Colombia. We're super excited to be here.
I know some of those challenges that he went through. I'm really curious to see how they're going to tell that story.
This was such an amazing, emotional, incredible film.
Yeah, I agree. He literally took the words out of my mouth. Like, just the opener just hits you.
There was definitely some moments where I was like, what's going to happen? Definitely some cliffhangers for sure.
It hits you right in the feels out of nowhere, and then it grips you the rest of the movie.
It has been an unbelievable experience, and to get to write some of the music for this movie has been, just such an inspiring journey, and to bring out some of those emotions that we're seeing on screen and feeling in our hearts.
Lee's story is just very inspirational to me personally. Turning that whole grief and loss into something meaningful and giving back it means a lot to me.
That's what people will get. They'll leave and wonder what purpose they have in the world and maybe challenge themselves to do something just as beautiful as what we saw tonight.
I could see this movie flying across the country, hitting all the film festivals by storm. It's just a fun time.